Scarbrough offers customized solutions. What exactly does that mean?
So for any given good that's going to market through any given distributor channel, retail channel, direct to end user channel, there are sets of specifications that must be adhered to and met in order for that good to successfully circumnavigate all those channels and efficiently get through them. So our customized solutions are based on our clients' needs, on the retailer's specifications, on the distributor's specifications, and all of those things. So there is no one box stock approach to taking a good to market. Even if the good is the same good, its go to market will be different through every single channel that it faces. And Scarbrough has the knowledge and experience in working in those various different channels to help, recognize the pitfall potentials for those different channels, understand the compliance standards through all of those different types of channels and the potential modes of failure, and tailor our relationship and our solution to help our clients circumnavigate all of that and get their goods to market in the most efficient possible state at the highest level of quality possible.
What I love about Scarbrough is that our motto is, it is our job to make your job easier. One of the things that we always do is make you look good in front of your boss. And whatever avenue that is, we're going to do it. So something that sets us apart from a lot of the larger conglomerates is the fact that we can make changes. We can tweak up the system. We can do what we need to do to meet your needs. So definitely don't be afraid to ask, and we'll see what we can do.